welcome to my apartment here in Đằng. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my apartment. So over here we have the bathroom. And as you can see, this is a typical Vietnamese style bathroom. And there's a washing machine. You can see that the shower head is kind of over the toilet there, which is quite typical for Southeast Asia, especially in Vietnam. And this is our basin. Over here we have the table and chairs, and this is where I'll be working in the evenings, so you can see all my teaching setup. If you guys are curious about this, you can look on the link that I have down below, which is for Data ABC. If you're curious to work remotely, you can check that one out. This is the kitchen.
The kitchen.
So we have a rice cooker and all of the utensils that we would need, so pots and pans and things like that. We have a fridge and a microwave. The water here is not safe to drink, but you can boil it and use it for cooking or hot drinks. If you're going to use it for hot drinks, we would recommend boiling it at least 2 times. We do buy fresh water from the market, so this was about 20,000 for 6 litres, which is about $1 New Zealand. And then just a couple steps over here, we have our bedroom / dining room. We have a large cable TV and a lovely large cabinet. And our bed. So the beds here in Vietnam are not very squishy. As you can see, it's like quite hard. So if you're going apartment hunting, definitely check for the feel of the bed if you like it. So yeah, as you can see, this is a studio apartment, so everything is all kind of in one room. At this point, you guys are probably wondering why we moved from such a nice apartment that had a gym, a pool and heaps of space. Well, this is the reason why. Wow, would you look at that? We definitely could not miss this opportunity to wake up to an amazing view every day, and we definitely do not regret this. Now to live here, you guys will definitely not break the bank, as it cost us $450 US for the month and 663 New Zealand dollars. So that includes water, cable TV, internet and cleaning 3 times a week. And they even said we could get extra cleaning if we wanted to. The power here costs us 18 New Zealand cents per kilowatt and 13 US cents per kilowatt. Power is not included. However, we don't use AC as much, and we did buy a fan, as you can see over here, just to lower the costs of the power bill, and we also really liked the fresh air. The internet here has been great for us so far, and we have not had any problems. Now with signing up to the property, we did sign up for 1 month, so that was $450 US. But if you choose to sign up for say 3 to 6 months, usually the prices do lower down, or you can ask even for cheaper prices if you were staying longer. So the best way to find an apartment here in Nẵng would be to book for 2 to 3 days at a hotel on websites such as booking.com or Airbnb, and I have them linked below if you would like to check them out. Then you can walk around and look at the apartments. The area we looked at was in An, and we just went door to door knocking, asking for the best deals. We also used Facebook groups to help us find apartments here, and then we would request to view them. As I mentioned earlier, there are so many options here in Đằng. So you can get apartments ranging from $380 US to $900 US per month. You can get 1 or 2 bedrooms, and you can even get luxury apartments. So that was our apartment. I hope you guys found this useful, and if you did, make sure to give this a like, comment and subscribe below if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Bye!